So this is how you can disable FaceTime on your phone or your iPad. This is a very simple tutorial. Let's get started by tapping on settings and then scrolling down until you can find FaceTime over here. And so what you're going to want to do is simply turn this off. As you can see, there's this button right beside FaceTime, and it says people can contact you on all your devices with FaceTime using your phone number or email address. So once you turn this off, people can no longer invite you to a FaceTime call. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you want to put it back, just simply turn it back on and you'll be good to go. Maybe you wanted to reset it or something, and then you wanted to turn it back on. Well, that is how you can do it. It's going to take a second, or you can go ahead and exit out of settings and then go back, and you'll be good to go. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.